guys, my name is Kat and I'm the Liquor Fairy. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make the green tea shot. This shot's going to be made with Irish whiskey, peach schnapps, sweet and sour, and a little bit of Sprite. To start it off, pour half an ounce of Jameson to a shaker with ice. Then add half an ounce of the peach schnapps to the mix. Then half an ounce of the sweet and sour. And then just add a little bit of Sprite to the mix. Then shake the ingredients together. Now just strain into your shot glass. And there you have it, the green tea shot. If you want to try out this recipe, go ahead and leave a like. Or if you want to see more easy cocktail recipes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now chug.